Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Confirm your Microsoft account and sign in at Office. Once signed in, pick the app you need, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, because web apps load faster when tied to your profile. Make sure your browser is updated and your connection meets at least 5 Mbps. This prevents lag during collaborative edits. While you're here, enable autosave in the top left, since it protects work in real time and simplifies version history recovery. Now create or open a file. Choose New Blank or upload a document from your device so the app converts it for web editing. Once done, use Share to invite people, set precise permissions, edit for collaborators who change content, view for reviewers. While editing, use comments to tell others what to check, and watch cursors appear for real-time co-authoring. Make sure to check version history if you need to restore prior work, because that makes recovery simple and transparent. Finish by exporting or sharing. Go to File, choose Save as to download. DocX, XLSX, PPTX or PDF, or move the file into OneDrive to preserve sharing links. Once done, set final permissions so recipients can access the correct version. If something goes wrong, edits not saving or collaborators missing, clear your browser cache, sign out and sign back in, and, if needed, retry in an incognito window. These steps resolve most sync and permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.